Hey, welcome back to Squarebody Stuff. We're just hanging out at the shop again today. Got Zeus, the shop dog, just doing his thing, being lazy. That's that little power glide from the last video. Got it done, waiting for the guy to come pick it up. I got Shelman, he's working on the Jeep. What are you doing, Shelman?
Right now, putting the new tire rod in.
Are you having fun? Not really.
No, but it's going to be worth it, so I won't let it.
It's a Jeep thing. I just don't understand.
I don't either.
So, got my block painted for the little 305 or little 305 block painted. I might work on it a little bit later today, get the cam in and get the short block ready. But right now I'm working on, gonna move this desk out, move all this crap, and that's where I'm gonna put this big shelf. I think I can utilize this floor space a whole lot better going vertical than just this desk that, if you've seen in other videos, just ends up being a catch-all. So I'm gonna clean off the desk, figure out what I'm gonna do with it, and then move that shelf in place and try to figure out what I'm gonna put on it. Then we'll work on the short block. Got my new shelf up. I moved that desk underneath that bench so I didn't have to clear out the drawers. I can still use it. This shelf, I've decided to use it. The top shelf's just storage, but the other shelves are for project parts storage. I'm going to try not to just pile a bunch of crap on there. Try to keep it open for projects like this. This is everything for this guy here. I'm getting ready to put the camshaft in and degree it. I've got my new timing gear pressed on the crankshaft. I had to make a piston stop. It's just a couple magnets basically super glued to a piece of strap. I drilled and tapped it, put a 1/2-inch bolt in there. The magnets aren't quite as strong as what I like them to be. You just got to be real careful when you turn it over and it just bumps it. But it ought to be close enough for now. Still got Shelman over here wrenching away on his Jeep. He just got through doing ball joints for the first time pretty much all by himself. Done a great job. Pretty proud of this boy. He's turned out to be a pretty good mechanic. Now he's freshening up the brakes on it, and then he's going to start on the other side. So, doing a pretty good job. Ball joints are not an easy thing to do. At least I was here to kind of give him a few pointers, but he pretty much done it by himself. So, that's kind of the big skinny on what we got going on. I'll show you the specs on the camshaft real quick. This is a Summit brand. The part number is 1107. Kind of hard to see with that package on there. Let's see, the lift is 487 on the intake, 508 on the exhaust. The duration at 50 thousandths lift is 234, 244. Intake center line is 109. So it's going to be pretty healthy low cam for this 305. About as big as you really want to go with stock heads because they don't flow much after 500 thousandths lift. So I'll get it in here and get it degreed, make sure everything's okay, and then button up the short block hopefully tonight. Of course, you've all seen me put camshafts in before. I've got a video, post link up top of the corner. Camshaft installation. I've got one on the green camshaft, timing chain installation, all that stuff. So try to put those up in the corner for you. But now I'm just going to kind of do a time lapse and just do my thing, and then I'll just be fast forwarding with some cheesy background music. What you doing, Juice? What are you doing? Camera shy? Yeah, you camera shy? Smile. You got the other puppies underneath the Jeep. Shop dogs in training. Yeah, train them right, huh, Juice? Well, I'm gonna end this video here. I've got the short block all together. Got my cam installed, timing chain. I just gotta put the oil pan on. And then be ready for cleaning up cylinder heads and putting new valve springs. I've got some C28 valve springs. They're a little heavier, and lifters, push rods, a bunch of other garbage. But I was going to port the heads while I had them out, but I think I'm going to wait. You guys can leave in the comments what your suggestions is on that, because what I was thinking is just do the cam swap, take the strip a few times, see what kind of times I can get, and then pull the heads back off, port them, see if I gain anything from that, just see if we gain anything. This is all just for fun. I know it's 305, it's kind of silly to be even doing this with a 305, but it's still a fun little project. Kind of show people what you could do with the 305 if that's all you got. Till next time, you keep them square bodies rolling. We'll catch you later.